Always kind of heard of Nicaragua as a great spot for surfing. Never really fell into place properly, but then Tento said they were going to do a trip and we were all over it. The highlight of the trip, I think it's always cool seeing somewhere fresh, but still with familiar faces. Truly, the crowd that you travel with can really make or break a place. Hanging out with all the people that we get to hang out with has been the highlight. I found it a little hard to read. The peaks move around a little bit. It's definitely a little bigger than I'm used to. So I would say it's a little more challenging than most of the places I've surfed before.
I spent the most time instructing Sean. Sean was a great person who had the opportunity to develop a really great mentally. Sometimes we are here not even for teach you how to turn left or right or how to do a floated. We are more here to give you that confidence, and I think he built up that very well.
And then with Sara, I've surfed with her before, and I know she's scared about surfing bigger waves. I think this week in general, we had a lot bigger wave that we are used to surf. So for her, it was a big challenge. And I think for most of the people of the group, they were like scared sometimes. And that was pretty impressive to see all of them just pushing, you know, out of the comfort zone. And going big for bigger waves and getting big, crazy wipeouts. And that was fun at the same time.
The Colorado wave is a hard wave, very skillful. It's a fast wave, it's hollow, it has a lot of energy right on the shore.
Panga Drops was bigger, softer, but much more water moving at the break. Jeff from San Diego, so encouraging, like such a nice guy, really nice surfer. I think he had a great week surfing, but he was always so encouraging in the water and really enjoyed everybody. It was a great group.
Very rare that you get a small, understated place that is right on the beach. See the waves from our front porch, hear them when we're laying in bed. And the food's been great, the staff is wonderful. Again, just the location is fabulous, so it's been really great.
The first two surfers, Jack and Jeff, they are like intermediate advanced surfers. So I think for them, just getting to know this break better, they were understanding how to start positioning on the wave and then how to read the wave. That was a big improvement because the first day was a big challenge for them.
We did yoga, just super comfortable, very laid back. We did sauna and the ice plunge.
So for me, it was just the adventure and also just watching my friends just having fun at the same time. That's the highlight for me.